Good morning, Namaskara friends. If you don't know me, I'm Likith and this is my vlog channel. The time is 6:41 right now and we have a swim session at 7. Let's check what the boys are up to. Raj, how are you doing?
Doing great without getting tired.
It's 6:43 and Raj is on his, I think, 800th milligram of caffeine right now. This dude is too hyper in the morning, so just look at him.
A few moments later.
Raj! Morning, Aaron.
What's up?
Yo.
Good morning.
So Aaron is the DJ of the house. He plays some trance music.
Anything fast in the morning is good because this caffeine is going to hit you as hard as it can.
Coach, if you're watching this, if you ever get married, we're not letting Aaron play at your wedding, huh? That's 1000 milligrams of caffeine right there. We have a kick set today. Kick sets are pretty fun, but I personally hate them. Surprisingly, coach is here. He's usually not punctual, but today he is. Good morning, coach.
Morning. I've got a gimbal. Achieving those technical targets that you need to reach. Right? The stroke mechanics targets you need to reach. Okay? On the hard work side, I think you're acing it. Okay, like yesterday's set wasn't a joke.
Coach is really scientific about swimming. It's really helpful, to be honest. I really like it. He just explained us about the kick set. So let's get in the pool.
Peak rate needs to build by 25 by lap. Okay? What you're not going to do, you're not going to increase your arm power. It has to be the same throughout. So
Good morning, Shardaka. Good morning. So this is Shardaka. High five. The YouTube guy. She really cooks amazing food. Her specialty is Rasaina. It's a sweet made from banana and coconut milk. I'm really hungry now. Let's check what we have for breakfast. Coach preaches about veganism so much that you see all these plants around here. They're all scared of him. Dude, you see this plant here? This is edible. Rich in protein and minerals. Vitamin soppu. Dude, you must eat this. This is full of fiber. Look at it. Just look at it. Look.
I've got a gimbal. So, Monday coach and I were walking and he spoke about alkaline foods.
Okay.
So these leaves are supposed to be excellent alkaline food. You like clean it and yum.
See, this is what coach does to people, huh? I'm not even kidding.
I've got a gimbal. Actually, he knows sometimes, I mean, he's like 36, okay? But he tries to get into our shoes and tries to be 10 years younger and, you know, see how we feel and what we talk about, what we go through.
100%. I mean, there are not a lot of coaches like that.
Oh, I mean, no, man.
No, he's the best.
cool.
Okay, so Aaron's heading towards the main house for his sauce bath.
Macha.
See ya, Aaron.
Bye-bye.
See you later. And we are heading towards the local store. And yesterday, walking this path, me and Raj encountered a cobra.
Big black cobra.
A big brown cobra. Raj spotted a cobra on the left hand side. So there was this big cobra sitting on top of the wall. You know,
It
just
was like about 5 feet.
yeah, it was like 5 feet, I guess. Then Chintu, that stupid dog, it came and it went and started sniffing the snake. Like went close to the snake and started sniffing it. And the snake sensed danger and it opened its hood that time. And then Raj realized it's a warning and he had to pull Chintu back. I think like 5 minutes later, me and Raj, we were just like, the snake was right in front of us, but we didn't realize that.
Yeah, it was
But-
so silent.
It was so silent. And then Raj spotted it and it was right next to my leg. And then I had to move back. And once I moved back, the snake started slithering across. Like it was just like two feet in front of us. 1 second.
Coming this way. Coming out, coming out, coming out. Go back.
Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Look at that. Look at that. Nah. Don't go. It's a big cobra. Look at that. Don't. Just don't.
Yeah.
And that was a very exciting experience. And this dude went to catch its tail.
Nature. People used to bring that there for the science fest. I've handled like boas and stuff. So yeah, wasn't that scared.
Wasn't that scary? But I wasn't scared. Even I was excited, to be honest. Hello, auntie.
Hi,
So-
Nikit.
So this is Ashwini auntie. She is the sweetest human on this planet you can find.
Thank you.
And she's the mother of our coach Partha, aka Gimbal Boy.
I've got a gimbal.
How's your day going, auntie?
Yeah, it's going good. Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
So she she has done majors in
Zoology.
Yeah, she has done PhD in zoology. What's your favorite animal, auntie?
Oh, my zoology PhD animal is a millipede called Arthrosaurus magna.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Illi parvalla.
and
So your favorite animal is millipede. No.
my favorite animal is a cow.
It's cow. Okay. So from today onwards, my favorite animal is cow.
Yeah.
If anybody asks me.
That's nice.
Hi, Arshi. Okay, I'm in front of the main house right now with Ashwini auntie. So she will be explaining all the patches over here.
See here all the manure, and over the manure we have the heaps of soil there. It's all for it's all for the veggie patches. So we are thinking that since the rainy season is approaching, we are generally the farmers go for vegetable cultivation during the rainy season. So here I'm thinking of putting long beans, then radish, some amaranth, and bendi, okra.
Okra, yeah.
Yeah, and there you can see.
They're far.
Yeah, 1.5 months old okra now, and behind is long beans, bitter beans.
So awesome, auntie. She's the master brain behind this farm. She looks after most of the stuff over here. I'm really grateful to be here and eating the, own cultivated
Yeah,
food, and it's really delicious, really awesome. And that's the Zen garden.
That's
they have.
Zen garden.
Zen garden. Yeah, it was built by a German architect,
Yeah.
Jess.
Yes.
Yeah, she's a very fine architect.
Yeah.
So these are the 1-month-old okras.
Yes, okra. Now it has started flowering here and there slowly. And behind is meat long beans and some is
This cacao.
cacao getting dry. And this one is ripened jackfruit papad.
These are
Ripened jackfruit papad. They are sweet papads.
sweet papads.
Yeah. So you are not frying them or roasting them. You are just eating raw.
Malaika, what's your name, Malaika?
Malaika Ashok Bhatt.
Parthas Ajji. Ajji ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನೀವು ಫುಲ್ ಯಂಗ್. Ajji, Muttaji. So she is grandmother of Partha sir. She's the what, third generation? Third generation upstairs? Yeah, third, fourth generation. She's pretty fit. She's very healthy. Full fit ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Now this is 83.
83. Look at that. Full strong. Okay, ಸರಿ. Bye. High five. Super. Hey, ಕಿರಣ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಯ್. ಹೈ ಫೈ. ಸೂಪರ್. ಕಿರಣ್ ಫುಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹೇಳು ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು. ಕಿರಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸು? ಯಾಕೆ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ? ಓದ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಓದ್ತೀಯಾ? ಫುಲ್ಲು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ. ಗಂಜಿ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ? ಇಷ್ಟ. ಎಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟ? ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟನಾ? ಎಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟನಾ? ಎಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟ ತೋರಿಸು. ಅಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟನಾ? ಸೂಪರ್. ಸರಿ ಆಟಾಡು, ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬಾಯ್. ಹೈ ಫೈ.
मेरा पैंट और शर्ट, ब्लू पैंट और वाइट, कौन सा भी एक टी शर्ट लेके आ.
Food. Nutritious. Fibrous.
Root.
Have you seen anyone walking in a jungle in their swimming costume? If not, check this out.
Now check this out.
Ta-da! Look at this.
Anybody walking in the dark with a shade? Yeah, me and my brother.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, that's it for the vlog, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please do like, share, and subscribe.